we are going to learn how to add Fiducial in pads layout manually. So first of all, I will just create a simple board outline. Set it in. Okay. Here for manually we have to go to ECO toolbar. Okay. Add component. In my last video only I created the Fiducial component I have created. So here we can add if F. Again you can so always we need to place Fiducial and come here, move corner of the board, anywhere you can place, like here and here also you can place it. So we need to place it in corner side of the board. So this is the way how we can add Fiducial in pads layout. Actually we can make symbol in schematic, and that also we can import, like we can update issue updated pads PCB. But here suppose if you have done with your PCB and finally and last time that client will ask you to make add Fiducial. So by creating Fiducial and adding like manually, you can add direct in the PCB board, so it will save your time. So hope it will be helpful for you all. Thank you.